In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit a check in the Barclays app. By the end, you'll feel confident making a mobile check deposit from anywhere with just your phone and a few minutes. Start by opening the Barclays app and logging into your account. Make sure you have a steady internet connection so your photos upload smoothly and the app can process your deposit without delays. On the home screen, look toward the bottom menu and tap Pay and Transfer. This takes you to the place where you can manage payments, move money, and, in this case, deposit a check. Now select Pay in a check. You'll be asked to choose the account you want to deposit into, pick the account where you want the money to go, then enter the check amount exactly as it appears on the check. Taking a moment to double check the amount now helps avoid corrections later. Next, place the check on a clean, flat, well-lit surface. The app will guide you to scan it by taking clear photos of the front and the back. Good lighting is key. Natural light or a bright lamp works well. Avoid shadows and glare and keep the check edges within the on-screen frame. Hold your phone steady or rest your elbows on a table to reduce blur. If the image isn't sharp, don't worry, you can retake the photo before you continue. Make sure all check details are clearly visible and properly captured, including the payee name, the date, the amount in numbers and words, and any required signature area. If anything looks cut off or fuzzy, take the photo again so the app can read it correctly. Once both sides are scanned, you'll see a summary screen. Carefully review the account you selected and the amount you entered. If everything looks good, confirm the details and submit the check deposit. You should receive an on-screen confirmation right away that your deposit has been sent to Barclays for processing. Barclays will process the check and notify you once it has been received. Processing times can vary, so funds may appear as pending until the check clears. If you have notifications enabled, you'll get an alert when the status updates. You can also check your app for progress. And that's it. Your check has been successfully deposited using the Barclays app. If you run into any issues, make sure your app is up to date, your photos are well lit and in focus, and your connection is stable. Thanks for watching and happy banking.